Hey there, Kalena from Voice Savvy coming right back at you with another video. So today we're going to be doing a quick 5-minute voice recovery workout. I am so in need of this for myself at the moment. So if you've had a cold or laryngitis or anything that's kind of, set you back a little bit with your voice, then this 5-minute workout, 5 minutes is for you. So let's do this. So we're going to begin with some gentle humming into vocal fry just to really get the voice working and warmed up.
Keeping it nice and relaxed as you hum into the vocal fry. Feeling the hum in the mask of the face, feeling those vibrations. And gently going down into the vocal fry, 100% relaxed. Keeping it going, staying relaxed, thinking about your airflow, keeping it nice and balanced. And back down. Really feeling those vibrations in the mask of the face. And we're almost done with this one. Last one.
So this wouldn't be a voice recovery workout without the straw or the vocal tube. So go and grab yours now and then let's do this.
Going from a comfortable low note to a comfortable high note and back down again. Only go where it's comfortable for you. If you need to go higher, then you can do so. Good. Just gently sliding through those notes. Taking your time. Really getting that movement happening in the voice. Encouraging that good vocal cord coordination. And don't force it in any way. Keep it relaxed. And then we're going to be bringing it back down. Slidey, slidey through the notes. Stay relaxed. Almost done with this one.
So the next one is lip trills.
Be mindful of your airflow with this lip trill. Again, just going from those comfortable low notes to comfortable high notes and back down again. Encouraging that movement of the vocal cords. Opening up into the vowels and stay relaxed. Good. Taking your time with this. Being mindful of your airflow. And be mindful that you're not getting too heavy. encouraging that good coordination to get your voice back on track. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Nice, and we are almost done. Well done.
That is it for the voice recovery workout. I don't know about you, but I definitely needed this, especially recovering from laryngitis over this last week. But what you'll notice with this is that I kept it quite low in terms of vocal range, just because it's all about recovering. It's all about just gradually, allowing your voice to get back into vocalizing again. We don't want to rush it. We don't want to force it in any way. It's all about just taking these gradual steps towards recovery. Until next time, I will see you in the next video. Take care, amazing people. Peace out.